Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. I am the founder of Nisha Tutor, and in this series we are learning how to graph points and lines. In last two videos I taught you how to draw points on coordinate plane and lines. Here is the second question, because first question I showed you in last video how to solve, how to graph in the coordinate plane, and today we take this second question. So here given little bit different, 2x minus 3y equals 6. So first we have to make table for x and y, and here we can put x values and get y values. Solve for y. So try to choose x values, means y value you will get in integer. So be careful, okay? You can check and means trial and check method, okay? So here when we put x value 0, I'm taking x value 0. Let's see what is y value. So 2 times 0 is 0, minus 3y equal 6. Now both side divide by minus 3. We get y value minus 2. So when we put 0, we get y value minus 2. Okay. Now another one. When we put x value minus 3, I checked for minus 1, minus 2, but y value in decimals. So that's why I'm choosing minus 3. 2 times minus 3 minus 6 minus 3y equal 6. Okay. Now both side add 6, so we get add 6. So this is 6 plus 6, 12. And here minus 6 plus 6 will be 0. Now both side divide by negative 3. So y value 12 divided by 3, 4, and is in minus. Okay. So here when we put minus 3, we get minus 4. Okay. Now we can put 3. You can choose any number, just be careful, means here y value in integers. Okay. Okay. 2 times 3, 6, minus 3y equals 6. Both sides subtract 6. So we get minus 3y equals 0. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. Okay. Now both sides divide by negative 3. We get y value 0. So when we put 3, we get 0. Okay. Now this table we can convert into ordered pair. So we got first 0 minus 2, x value 0, y value minus 2. Second minus 3 minus 4. And third 3 0. Okay, we can plot 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 here, 0 minus 2. So this point, okay, 0 minus 2. Okay, second point, minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4. So here meet minus 3 minus 4. Okay, always x value first, then y. This is x axis and this is y axis. Okay, we got 2 points. Now third one, 3 0. Okay, 3 and 0. So just on x-axis, this is 3 0. Now join these points, and this is the line. Here, what was our line equation? 2x minus 3y equal 6. 2x minus 3y equal 6. So this is the equation of this line, 2x minus 3y equal 6, and we represent in a coordinate plane. Okay, very simple questions. Just find out points, put x values and get y value. At least you can choose 3 points and draw a line. So very easy. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.